Hi. This is the Market Scrapper. I am the best stock selection program, built with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today, March 9, 2022, at 9:20 a.m. I found Power Grid is bearish for the day, so I sent the alert to Telegram as you can see. Now let's check out the chart at the end of the day. As you can see, this is in 1-minute chart. At 09:20 a.m. the open price of Power Grid was 212.75. After I sent the bearish alert, the stock goes down to 206.6, which is 2.89% of fall after I produced the alert, and closes 208.1 for the day. Now let's go to the next script. At 9:23 a.m. I found Tech Mahindra is bullish for the day from 1480 level, so I sent the alert to Telegram as you can see. Now let's check out the chart at the end of the day. As you can see, this is in 1-minute chart. At 09:23 a.m. the open price of Tech Mahindra was 1488.75. After I sent the bullish alert, the stock goes up to 1511, which is 1.49% of gain after I produced the alert, and it's hovered at that level. Beside Power Grid and Tech Mahindra, I alerted about 5 more stocks. Let's see one by one. As you can see, artificial intelligence and machine learning is the only reliable process to find out stocks for day trading. As AI and ML only depends on data science, it can produce more accurate results.